that so many people will not like to hear. Peter Obi is going to be very difficult for him to be a president in Nigeria.
Why?
Because he's an Igbo man. If you will ask me, you know what I will tell you?
No, tell me the reason. So you mean
you know they will not want to give power to Igbo.
Why?
Of course, you are a Nigerian. How long have we had independence in Nigeria? Have you seen Igbo man really striving strong in that area of presidency? Because they have that fear that Igbo man will come and divide Nigeria. They really do have that fear. You understand? This is the truth of the whole thing. So, for me, Igbo man is going to rule in the future. I'm not saying no, but as it is right now, I doubt it. For me, I would say, okay, as the politicians, the now politicians, the ruling parties of the rulers now, they are all gathering themselves into one party. Let Showore, let Peter Obi, let Falano, let all these big men sit down and have their own strategy on how to derail them. The youth, they are the numbers. You understand? If they can make the youth have one voice, like Peter for Nigeria was crying today on the internet, let's come together, VDM, forget our differences, Mama G, this, that. If that happens, that they all cooperate, the Nigerian youth cooperate, Showore have his fan, Peter B has his fan, or VDM has his fan, Mama P, oh my God, has his fan. What was the name of this other lady? There's one wonderful lady, I'm forgetting her name right now. If all those people can come together, arrange themselves, agree who would be in the front of presidency, and everybody back that person, and under one party, maybe Labour, maybe whatever, I don't know, or have a new party, whatever they want, however they want to arrange it, they will sweep out all these old people.
Yeah, they will do that. But there's something. Let me come back. You said that it's very hard to an Igbo man to be president in Nigeria.
Yes.
But now we are preaching for unity.
Yes.
We are preaching against tribalism.
That is.
Then, is it not tribalism? Is it not how I don't know how to the correct way to put it, that
I understand,
that makes you
to think
like that. Because as you're thinking like that, I think you think millions of Nigerians are thinking the same way you're thinking.
Listen, let me tell you one thing. If I have my ways, honestly, it's an Igbo man I will put there, because I so believe in the hard working of an Igbo man, because wherever they enter, they progress. You can find an Igbo man in the end of the world. I met a German man once, and we were discussing. He asked me if I was Igbo. I said no. He told me where there is no Igbo, he is going to run away, because he so believe in the intelligence of an Igbo man. You understand? So why am I saying this? I don't want you to believe I'm hating on the Igbo, but I'm just telling you that fear. I'm telling you that fear that people have about the Igbo man, because they just believe the Igbo agenda is to share Nigeria. Why do you really think what's his name? This guy, the
Mazen Kalo.
Yeah, why do you think he's still there? Is that fear, that threat of him talking about division? That's why he's still there. So do you really believe the Northerners, mostly the Northerners, then the Yorubas, will trust an Igbo man that much that they will not think of this man can come with this agenda of division?
But do you think that the problem Nigerians are having today is because there is no Igbo man in that government?
if you are saying there's no Igbo man in the government, number 3 man of Nigeria, he's from where? He's from the east.
Who?
The number 3, the Senate president. He's the number 3 man in Nigeria. He's from the east. They are going to give, Igbo men can stay in top offices, but that presidency that can give orders, that is where they are afraid of. This is the truth. This is what I believe. Yeah, okay, I'm saying this is the truth. I might be wrong, but what I've heard from people aligns with what I'm saying right now.
Anyway, that is your own opinion.
That's what I said, my opinion.
Right.
That's my opinion, and I've heard it from people.
I believe that the problem in Nigeria are having today is because there is no Igbo man. The day Nigeria will be free is when they will put an Igbo man there to rule. You understand? We believe
you understand
in one
what
Nigeria.
I was saying?
Yes, I do.
I told you, for Nigeria to really move forward, I trust an Igbo man to take Nigeria forward more than any other tribe. I'm telling you the truth, because they are so successful in whatever they do.
But they are scared.
The problem is they are scared that once power get to Igbo man, they are going to share the country. And I don't know why that thought. I don't know why that mentality, really.
You see, guys, I don't know where you're watching from. Are you in support? Do you think that Igbo man cannot rule Nigeria? Do you think so? I don't know. Drop your comment, please. We need to know your own opinion. But for me, I believe that an Igbo man to be a president of Nigeria is the betterment of Nigeria.
I believe what you're saying is correct. The only thing I'm saying is that the way things is right now, the mentality of the people right now, they are so scared of allowing an Igbo man to be a president. If I have my way, like I said before, I'm going to advocate for an Igbo man to be the president of Nigeria. But the problem is the fear that the people have, that once an Igbo man, goes in there, he's going to divide the country. Like you said division is no longer in the head of the Igbo man. And I believe that too. But do they believe that?
We need equal rights. That is why we are agitating.
That's what we are fighting
Biafra.
For. Equal right and justice.
Equal rights and justice. So guys, man, Hase, just send the message to Nigerian youth as we are about to close.
Now, I really want to say to you all guys out there that our voices is really, really important. Unity. We also, what happened when VDM was arrested? Both the Hausas, both the Igbos, the Fulani, some people from other countries came out to talk about it. That's the power of unity. We should kind of please be united. Let's take this kind of you are Igbo, I'm Yoruba, and you are Ishekiri, and I'm Ijo, and let's take that one away from us. Let's take that, forget about this idea of you are a Christian, I'm a Muslim, because this is something that the white men actually brought to divide us. You understand? So if we can take this mentality off our mind and come together as one, there's nothing we can achieve. Nothing. My youth of Nigeria. Me, I say my youth of Nigeria as if I'm no longer. Actually, I thought they come on for youth, actually. So the Nigerian youth, you people have seen the good of togetherness. You people have seen how powerful we are when we come together. Please, let's come together and see how we can resolve all these issues that are coming up in Nigeria that we want to fight against. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you that watching, your voice counts. If we keep on keeping quiet and allowing some people
to keep manipulating us,
creating this tribalism within us, I think with this, we are going nowhere. So it's time we start uniting together. Forget about whether you're Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, whoever.
Christian, Muslim.
We are one Nigeria. We are together. And together, we stand.
And we have to fight against division. We have to make these leaders know that we are
It's time
united.
to voice out, and we will face these corruption politicians together.
Yes.
Okay? So see you guys. I don't know where you're watching from. Please go to our YouTube, Afro Brazil link. Subscribe and drop your comments. What do you think about this video? And I will be happy to see you on my next video. See you guys. We are still here on Hello African Podcasts.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate being here today. I came unexpectedly, to be very frank with you. I didn't come prepared, but I think I voiced out exactly how I feel about my country, and I'm proud of you guys in Nigeria. I swear, I'm not even joking or forming it or faking this reality. I'm proud of you guys, man. Let's just keeping on, and victory will be ours.
See you guys.
Bless you guys. Man, thank you for the invite.
Thank you, bro.